welcome back. I just woke up from a big sleep. It's currently 2 minutes past 10, and I have to put my school clothes right because I can't wake up late and then my school clothes is just not right. So let's go. My rabbit is sleeping. So cute. I didn't plan that, y'all. You guys can see I was just opening the door. They were sitting cutely. I love them. I don't even know where's my school clothes at, but we still have to pack my school bag also. But I don't even know what style I'm gonna make tomorrow. It's a full of stress, guys. Really. It's a full of stress for me. And you guys won't believe what did I got. Clark that. I don't like this purple, so I'm gonna give it away to my friend. I'm gonna tell her that I still have to look through my stuff. What can I give to my friend? I don't have money. I'm just joking. I didn't get my money, guys. That's it. But yeah, it's a miracle, guys. I don't care. Money is not your life. And if you tell me that money is your life, guys, sorry. I don't know you. Okay, my nails is still in this bag, and some of them are lost because they're not in here. Guys, not all. Here's no. Okay, guys, I think that this phone or camera is not right because the time is going so fast that I can't do even 1 minute. Then it's gone this time. I want to give her this earpads, but no. She doesn't have a phone anymore. I'm not going to take this anymore. I'm going to take this. Let me see what's in here. Maybe this is my Vicks. I don't know what's this. This is not my Vicks. Come back for part 2, y'all.